Heart breaks and promises. I've had more than my share.
So we landed in Bologna at about midnight. It's now 1:30 in the morning. It took us over an hour and a half to get to the hotel. But silver lining, we made it, and we're going to go exploring San Marino tomorrow. Got to get up early to catch a train there, so...
No. What I need is somebody.
Just got off the train. Now I've got a short 1 hour stay in Rimini, which is supposed to be a resort place. So I'm going to go check out the beach and hopefully try and enjoy some summer weather.
Wants to be there. It's been so long since I touched a haunting hand. Come put my love on the line.
After a short 45-minute bus ride, we finally made it to San Marino, and let me tell you, the views are amazing. So amazing. So we're hopefully going to get some cool shots and explore this unique little country of its own on top of a huge cliff about 500 meters above sea level. So sweet.
You got to show me love. Give me reason. What I need is somebody who will always be there. Don't you promise me the world that I've already heard. This time, for me, baby. Actions speak louder than words. If you're looking for devotion, talk to me. Tell me if you want me. You got to show me love. Words are so easy to say, but you got to show me love. Give me a reason to love you. You got to show me love. You got to show me love. You got to show me love. You got to show me love.
San Marino is absolutely beautiful.
Mind-blowing.
Definitely one of the top 3 most beautiful places we've actually ever been.
Second to Santorini.
Yeah, second.
You got to show me love.
This is the OG, the original spaghetti bolognese from Bologna. Had to tick it off the bucket list.
When you're low and your knees can't rise, you feel helpless and you're looking to the sky. Some people would say to accept defeat. What if this is fate? Then we'll find a way to cheat. 'Cause we'll say a little prayer. But if the answer isn't fair, you know you can call me when you need somebody. When you can't stop the tears from falling down.
stairs.
This is probably the most intense fucking walk I've done in a while. I can't believe they met so many people up.
Yeah, how many people? Like 30?
30 people up that tiniest area.
We just walked up the giant tower behind us and it was really awesome. Highly recommend. Amazing views.
Very amazing views.
It's worth it.
People used to live in those things, which is crazy.
Crazy!